Guys, I thought I was gonna be done, but I also wanted to add in something else. These houses be expensive as hell. That's why people that if they don't need all of this space, like, hey man, it's time to become like a nomad. It's time to downsize. It's time to downgrade. It's time to start living like a pilgrim, like a nomad, getting very minimalistic because the way that this world is going, and then this shit with this war that's going on with Israel, and how America has always defended them and supported them with anything they do because they all part of the same Edomite kingdom. They all descendants in family. I'm telling y'all better get ahead of it like what I'm trying to do because it is bad out here. It's bad out here, man. That's all I gotta say. It's getting bad, and these houses are to the point where they're too much for you to afford. Like, the thing is with these houses, you either have the AC that might go out. You might have to replace the roof. You have to pay property tax, trash fees, house insurance. The list goes on. It's endless. Then you gotta take care of the lawn, the trees and things around surrounding it. You gotta pressure wash your house or repaint your house because it gets dirty and stuff depending on what type of material it was made out of. You gotta keep the outside of the house clean. On the outside of the house, you gotta get that redone like, I guess like every few years or however that goes. You gotta pressure wash your driveway and your sidewalks. Just like that main thing of keeping your house in real good shape, it's a lot. And then if things break down in it, like if you got like the state of the arts type of things working in your house, like a dish, basic dishwasher, all kind of stuff, overhead microwave and stuff, you'll find yourself having to remodel the whole entire kitchen with a whole entire kitchen where the whole entire kitchen gotta damn come out completely. Like my refrigerator, it went out. I just was like, the hell with it. I can't keep up with this shit no more. The refrigerator went out and I just let that go. I just let somebody come and get it, like I was telling y'all on one of them videos. So you'll find yourself having to replace all appliances in your kitchen. You pretty much have to remodel your whole entire kitchen. It's crazy. So guys, I'm gonna try to merge this on to the other video. Looks like I'm gonna have to well, I don't know if I'm gonna do this separate or merge them together. I'm probably just gonna put them separate. But yeah, it's crazy out here, man. That's why I'm glad I'm getting rid of this headache. I'm glad that I sold my house, and I'm glad I'm finna give this to somebody else for them to have a damn headache. Another thing I wanted to say before I digress, I'm tired of this neighborhood too. I never liked this neighborhood when I brought this house. I just took it because it was an easy opportunity for first time home buyers. And it's hard to just get a house, period. It's hard getting a house. So I went on ahead and took the house due to a lot of good benefits with it. And I'm glad that I did take the house, but the neighborhood that they built the house in is just horrible. I'm constantly picking up things on my my French like gate. I have like a French style gate made out of metal and it's white. It's real pretty. It goes, I have a corner lot house. So I have like a white gate going around the edge of it, and then the back of my house got a fenced in. And yeah, it's pretty nice or whatever, but the neighborhood that they build them in, horrible. And I'm constantly taking stuff off of my white fence because of bombs and people just walking around. And then now today I see a damn bike on the corner. I'm like tired of it. But somebody was telling me when they was gonna do a fence on my front yard before I decided to sell it, they said that that's considered the city or the state's responsibility, where your gate cuts off it, that in front of it that they didn't that your gate didn't cover, that belongs to the city. That's not your responsibility. So some things I just gotta let go because I can't control everything. And I'm constantly cleaning stuff out on the outside of my house because they're always littering and always acting thugged out. And then that dog that I told y'all about, he's getting worse and worse. He today he just kept running through both of my neighbors' yards, just running through their yards, taking t-shirts and stuff he done found from everywhere, just tearing it up all throughout people's yards. He stay off of my shit because I be staying on his goddamn ass, ready for him. Got my goddamn pepper spray ready to spray his goddamn ass. Anyways, guys, talk y'all later.